The sentiment on the day for how we feel like the auction is going to go, that is key. So right the way, as we lead up to the US Open, we go over where fixed income is, so yields. We go over where gold is. We look at the news. So we want to work out how the market is feeling about sentiment today. So we're bullish leading into today's session, right? But the market is bearish. That gives us a better understanding. So like if the market is generally bearish, but we're bullish today, I'm not going to hold positions for a long time,
Okay.
because we're going to hit a wall somewhere. And also on the downside, if something's sold off so heavily and we're nearing levels to the downside, so the average pullback that we look at for the S&P 500 since the great financial crisis, the COVID crash and the rate hiking cycle, they've moved anywhere between 50% to the downside to roughly about 17%. So if we're getting near 17%, 20%, somewhere around there, we've got a box that we use for it. I'm not going to keep going short.
Okay.
If we've got space for shorts, I'll go short. So that sentiment leading up to it, plus that averaging of the statistics of the waves or the moves down, gives me a really good indication. But that's why I think, giving away strategies for free and stuff. That's why I say to everyone, it's 33, 33, 33. I could talk about strategies all day. But if you don't have the psychology, you don't have the risk management, these are things that we pick up in the community, and they need coaching. A trader's not going to be successful just by learning a strategy, and they need to understand that. That's why in that video, when we had all those comments, some people were writing in there, oh, look, you missed the point if you're asking him about your strategy. And I do believe that they did miss the point, but it's good to cover it for them anyway, because everybody's at different parts of their journey.
No, definitely.